So I'm going to show you how you can earn some money using this website and another great website and earn passive income. All right. So we're going to dive into the video. I'm just going to keep this short. I'm not going to go into details and explain to you how you need to edit, but you could use this on a computer. If you have a phone and you don't have a computer, all you have to do is just go to Google and just type in free video editing software. Okay, so as you can see right here, you can either go to PC with no watermark, you can go with Mac, or you can even type in iPhone. You can type in iPhone. Here, if you got an iPhone, you can type in iPad for iPhone 7, all the different phone, or you can go on Android if you have an Android. So these are the ways how you can find this or any video editing app for free. You can use InShot to use what I'm about to share with you. So this is about passive income, and a lot of people are using it right now. They're crushing it online, and I'm going to show you how you're supposed to do it. So if it's your first time to my YouTube channel, welcome. My name is Andre, and I create brand new videos. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can make money using shorts here on YouTube. If you don't know what shorts is, I'm sure when you go on your phone and you go on YouTube, you see a lot of short videos, and I'm going to show you how you can do it as well. Now, the biggest thing that is working is a lot of people are going over to TikTok, and because TikTok has a ton of videos. So you can go over to TikTok and you can download videos for absolutely free. Now, if you want to use a free software, you can use this one that's called Snaptic. And Snaptic app, it's pretty cool. This is what I'm using so far, and it's working. So Snaptic, you can download it, whether on your iPhone or on your Android. I don't know if it works on desktop or on computer or a laptop. Sorry, I don't know. But if you got it and you have a phone, you can just download it. So that's what I've been using. And I come over here and I just download it pretty easy. You just copy the URL for the video from your phone, and then you insert it into Snaptic on your phone. Once you download it and everything, I think what you could do is there's a lot of challenge. So you can type in the word challenge. I'm not sure if this is going to come up because I'm logging in. Now you can do a lot of challenge because there's a lot of different challenge. You could go hashtag challenge, because when you hashtag challenge, there's always some challenge going on. Always some challenge. And then once you find the challenges, you could just download the videos and just re-upload them on YouTube. Perfect example, here is a TikTok famous. I type in shorts, and what this person is doing, they're finding viral content, they're finding funny videos, and they're finding the people who are absolutely going viral on TikTok. So they go in and they edit all these things, and they're not getting in trouble for it. I know some people are like, well, this is a copywriting, isn't this? Hey, listen, people reuse people's content, and all they do is, let me click on this one. All they do, they'll probably put the link of the actual person in here. So they will go and they'll probably put a link, right? See? They use music in this video. So they use music, which is licensed music. So they had to put this in here because there's music in these videos. So he probably created a video and pop music in it, right? Subscribe for more. TikTok famous, TikTok comedy. So you could come over here and see exactly what they're doing and just duplicate it, right? So you could do that, make it cool, make it fun. And then once you get over 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, because it's right now it's super easy for getting subscribers here on YouTube because of shorts video. Now everybody's gonna say, well, there's all competition. Well, the only competition is the competition with yourself of not starting. So go out there and just start it. You can pick different niche. You don't have to pick funny stuff. Pick something that you love. Maybe it's dirt bikes. Maybe it's racing. Maybe it's shooting. I don't know. Find something, create a channel, put it up there, And that's how you can make money. So I didn't want to make this too long because it's pretty easy. This particular website, I'm not going to go into details on this, but just download it over here, download it, put the videos, and just compile them together. All you're doing is just put them together. Just join them together and just upload them. You don't have to get fancy. Create great thumbnails and you're good to go. Like, subscribe, become a part of the family. I'm talking about shorts. That's why this video is short. See you on the next video. Peace.